DJI might be about to shake up the camera game again. Thanks to a fresh FCC filing and insider tips from Jasper Ellens, it looks like the DJI Osmo Nano is coming. And it's not just another action cam. This thing is compact, possibly wearable, and clearly built for creators on the move. Whether you're into vlogging, shooting on the go, or strapping a camera onto your drone or gear, the Osmo Nano could be DJI's boldest new toy yet. Let's break down everything we know so far. Looks like DJI is getting ready to drop a small camera called the DJI Osmo Nano, just showed up in official records, with model numbers on 001 for the camera and OD001 for the screen. These papers were filed back in February 2025, which means the camera is probably close to being approved, and could launch as soon as August this year. This news was shared by Jasper Ellens, a trusted source for DJI updates, on Drone XL just a few days ago. He also mentioned that the Osmo Nano is part of DJI's big plan to release more action-focused gear, like the DJI Mic 3 and Osmo 360. DJI is doing something totally different this time. The Osmo Nano doesn't look like any of their older cameras. It's built to be super small and easy to carry around. Based on what the FCC paperwork says, it uses low-power wireless tech, which probably means it'll connect easily to your phone and won't drain the battery too fast. One cool thing is that it might have a magnetic clip like the one on the DJI Mic, so you can stick it to your clothes or gear. That makes it perfect for people doing sports, biking, or flying drones who want a first-person view. It's not a 360 camera, though. It's more like a regular action cam, just tiny. We don't know the full specs yet, but there's a second part called OD001, which might be a little screen you can use to see what you're filming in real time. And with the name Nano, it's probably one of the smallest cameras DJI has ever made, light enough to take anywhere. With the Osmo Nano, DJI is stepping into the ring with big names like GoPro and Insta360. GoPro cameras are tough and shoot super clear video, and Insta360 is famous for its all-around 360 degrees views. But DJI is going a different route. The Osmo Nano is small, light, and clips on magnetically, which could make it perfect for stuff like FPV drone flying, biking, or any action-packed adventures. What's cool is that DJI might be trying to make all their gear work better together. Since the Osmo Nano is wearable, it could be a great match with their drones, giving drone pilots a new way to film from the ground or from their own point of view. According to Jasper Ellens, this camera is just one of a few new gadgets coming from DJI, along with the DJI Mic 3 and Osmo 360. It looks like DJI wants to build a full setup where everything connects easily, cameras, mics, drones, so you can film, record, and create without juggling a bunch of different brands or tools. If you fly drones for fun, or even as a job, the Osmo Nano could be a really cool new option. It's super small and light, and with its magnetic clip, you can easily attach it to a drone without slowing it down. That means you can get creative angles and shots without worrying about weight. And since it's made by DJI, it'll probably work smoothly with their other gear, making it easier to switch between drone and handheld shots without a lot of setup. One thing to note, it doesn't shoot in 360 degrees, so if you're into fully immersive video, this might not be the one for you. As for the price, it'll probably land somewhere between $300 to $400, which is pretty normal for DJI's cameras. It's already passed FCC checks, so it's all set to launch in the US. Without a doubt, the Osmo Nano could be a great little camera for drone lovers and action shooters in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about its release, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.